camera. Now swipe up. You know, you're okay. We're at a pumpkin
We're on a
patch.
train.
Bye, everybody. Oh, this train is moving slow.
Why is it so squeak?
This is. If something happens, pray for us. This is going. Oh my God, this is going so freaking slow.
No one so bad.
I don't. Sorry, I'm so messed up.
Oh my God. She wants her daddy to pick her up. Oh, I feel so bad. Because she was waiting to get
I'm about to jump on with her.
And she was actually trying to give the man her ticket, and then all of a sudden she couldn't go.
Oh, because of us?
Yes, because of us.
Just talk.
No.
Hi.
I know these people.
We don't know y'all.
She had to say freaking fuck. Okay, they're going.
We are not fucking. We are not fucking like. God, I'm just gonna film y'all because I'm bored. Right on.
Y'all later. It was you first. Look, even they're laughing. Literally, you at first you were like, okay, and then and then the words started.
Laughing.
Why did they have to take me where I wanna go?
Speeding train. Speeding train.
Now I can't know where it is.
Hold
I
on.
can start next station. Oh wait, fairies are real. You know fairies are real, right?
Oh, but when I said aliens.
No, fairies, they're not like in human bodies, but there's actually like these bugs called fairies. Do you hear me? Take me where I wanna go.